Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your boy Gary Scott, aka the South Pip Assassin, guys, and I'm back with another trade breakdown for this past week. All right, guys, we took a total of three trades. Total of three trades this week. We ended up 1 and 2. Even with the two trades that we did lose, um, it kind of put us at a sort of a break even standpoint, right? We had probably a 5 pip difference when it came to the trades that we did take and the trades that was the trade that was won and also the two trades that was lost. It was about a 5 pip difference, which is not too much. All right, still puts us in position to stay alive in the world of trading, right? When you look at this standpoint. So now, the first trade that we did take this past week, right? The first trade that we did take was GBPAUD. All right. And we took this trade simply because if we go to the daily time frame, all right, and we looked at this based off of a structure standpoint, we know that overall this trade was moving in the uptrend. Why? Because it was making consistent higher lows, right? A low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Price never went back below these points until it reached this point. So the moment that price broke this higher low, we understand that price is going to retest where? Back to areas of value. Where it retests to, it retested to an order block, right? Which is this buy candle and this sell candle all together from a daily time frame perspective. That is a order block level. So if you go to the 4 hour time frame now, right, already understanding the overall daily right structure and how price is working, we know that once price reaches an order block on the opposite side here, which it did the last up candle before price broke this structure, and also this major level of structure here. So when price got back here and respected it once, respected it twice, right? Never, it gave you two strong rejections, right? What are we doing? Then we go to the 1 hour time frame. We look how price is breaking structure here. We look at how also price is breaking structure here, right? So when price broke this structure, it never went back above this high. When price broke this structure, it came back to this order block right here. All right. And that's kind of the reason why I could also see like even when price did go into drawdown with us for a little bit, I wasn't worried because I also knew that this order block was our security blanket. Okay. If I put this line right here, we already know that this is an order block on the what? On the hour time frame. So let me mark that off for you guys. All right. This is an order block. Price rejected that level, gave us a selling candle here. Price took off, right? Hit us for a good 100 pips. So now we got that. And why I took this trade is because I seen the higher time frame structure and also seen how structure was breaking higher lows on the hour time frame. So we took this trade for a sale. Money was made. Now let's go and let's take a look at the other two trades that we did take this past week. One of them was gold, right? We did take this gold trade right here, right? Ultimately, overall, this is an uptrending market, right? Overall, this is an uptrending market. Now, when we get down to the hour time frame, right? I don't want you guys to worry about this. This is simply a personal counter trend trade that I took, right? And I didn't want to send this to the community because I don't like normally taking counter trend trades, and I definitely want to put anybody that's connected with me in this position, right? But I seen how structure was playing out. It was good enough for me because of the experience that I have in the market. So that's the only reason why I took this trade, because of the experience I have in the market and me taking this trade. But we did. I took this trade along with sending this to my community right here as well. This was a high risk trade. This is a more of a probability trade right here. Even though it went against us, it overall played into the overall trend of what the market was going, which is up. So when price came back down here and reacted off of this order block right here, because this is the last down candle before price broke structure. So when price got here, rejected once, gave us a bullish candle right here. So we entered the market here and price, we were looking to take price higher for the overall trend. But the thing that we have to pay attention to, right, when we're doing our risk to reward ratios, right? There are the style of traders where they like to take very, very small SLs, right? But then you have sort of moderate SL takers, and then you have big risk SL takers, right? I like to make my SLs based off of structure, right? And based off of my areas of value. If it passes my area of value, it was supposed to pass it, and it was supposed to go in the opposite direction. If my area of value holds up and price never reaches that standpoint, that lets me know that my area of value stood strong. Okay. So if it went past below this point, we knew it was supposed to go below this point and continue to go. Right. If price did go past below this point, which it go back above this point, which it didn't, we knew that price was supposed to continue to go down as it did. Right. All right. So this trade just naturally was supposed to go against us, and it's okay. Right. You're not going to win every trade. That's just unrealistic. Right. But then now, give me 1 second. Now that we are here, let's go to another trade that we did take this week, which was also EA. A reason I did take this trade for a sell, although it was moving in a 1 hour uptrend for the moment, is because of the overall trend of this trade and where structure is basically telling us price wants to go, right? We seen that price broke structure here. We also seen that price broke structure at this level, but we understand that this level is a key level. Price stopped here once, twice, 3 times, and also a 4th time and failed. Right. So when I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, well, overall, we're in a downtrend naturally, right? So if I know when price gets back to this structure point, what is it potentially looking to do? Fall lower, right? But we gotta also take it to an extent that there's also a fair value gap area up here that needs to be covered. All right. But based off of what price is showing us, based off of what the structure is showing us, price is showing us that it continues to close below this structure point. And because of that, we potentially are looking for the trade to still go down in a sell, right? But we have to understand what is up above us. All right. So that trade did go against us. You go down to the lower time frames. I understood that, price was taking out a higher low at this point, making a new low. Price retested this order block, but what happened? It went above it, took out our SL, but ultimately I was still looking to take this trade to the downside. All right. It went against us 35 pips. All right. That's okay. We can still come back, right? Like we did here. And I took this trade and called this trade for my community in the live session. I still can potentially look to sell GBPAUD, all right, based off of what structure is telling me and how it's respecting this order block. If it does go back above this order block, that meant it was supposed to, right? And price is going to continue to flow to the high side, right? Or in other words, the buy side. Okay. With that being said, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope it gave you some few pointers to become a better trader. Learn from me, learn from my mistakes. If you guys have questions, like I said, feel free to contact me on my Instagram, which is Gary Scott Official, and my email is PIPASSASSIN20@gmail.com. Again, PIPASSASSIN20@gmail.com. That being said, guys, you guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Peace.